Mabel TA Exam Review Unit 3, Question 37. The following graph shows the number of internet users per 100 people and the breast cancer details per 100,000 women in 23 countries. Use the scatter plot to select the most correct response about the relationship between the number of internet users and breast cancer deaths. So here we have our scatter plot. Going to the right, we have internet users per 100 people. Over here we have breast cancer deaths per 100,000 women. And we'll see which of these we think fit. It actually shows that there's following a bit of a trend here. So let's see. There is a positive linear relationship. Positive linear means it goes up to the right. And linear, these all seem to be following in a pretty nice line between the number of internet users and breast cancer deaths. But we cannot say that higher numbers of internet users causes higher breast cancer death rates. That actually sounds really well written, that we do have a correlation here. We could put a trend line in. However, we can't say that one causes the other. We can simply state that there's a correlation between the two. The next one, because there's a strong linear correlation, we can say that higher breast cancer death rates causes higher number of internet users. So even though we do have a strong linear, we cannot say that anything causes something else. We can't say that this causes, in fact, they're actually going backwards here and saying that, yeah, it's causing one or the other. So we can't say that. Next, because there is a positive linear relationship between the number of internet users and breast cancer deaths, we can say that the higher number of internet users causes higher breast cancer death rates. Again, we can't say anything causational-wise. We can simply say that there's a correlation, that it follows a trend. The next one, the graph shows no relationship between the number of internet users and breast cancer death rates. So we cannot say the higher numbers of internet users causes higher breast cancer death rates. We cannot say this. However, there does show a positive correlation. So that one also doesn't work. And last, because the slope of the line is positive, we can say that the higher breast cancer death rates cause higher numbers of internet users. Again, we still can't say either way that anything is causational here. So this one is our answer.